I am Candace from Sacred Mommyhood. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, I am a homeschool mom to 11 children, and I thought I would take you on a little tour of my tiny pantry. No, I'm not complaining. I am grateful for my pantry, but admittedly, we do have trouble finding room for everything, especially on grocery shopping day. And so what I thought I would do is give you a quick pantry tour, and then I'm going to reorganize everything and I will show you the before and after. So let's get started with the tour. As you can see, it is just a closet. We definitely make it work, but as a large family, I wouldn't be sad if we stumbled upon a slightly larger pantry, and we have had much larger pantry. In fact, this is probably the smallest pantry we've ever had in any of the homes we've lived in, but that's okay. We make it work, and I'll show you a little bit of what's in this pantry, but also I'll take you out into the garage and show you some of our overflow things that we store out there. So as you can see, everything is just a complete mess. Every shelf, you know, I've tried to do some organizational things before and it lasts for a little while, but as soon as you bring in more groceries or kids get in and shuffle things around, it's really difficult to keep it organized. And so that means we have trouble finding things. I mean, we really have to pull things out and look behind things to see what's back there, especially when I'm making my grocery list, because I don't want to buy things that I already have. Okay, so here is a look at what we have in here. We keep a lot of canned goods in this section, but then we have some more out in the garage. Down here, it's just a total hodgepodge of mess. I've got some baskets down there with some, you know, foil sheet wraps and plastic bags and just random stuff, a lot of flour. Same thing here, everything, there's just kind of random things thrown everywhere. Here we have some box stuff and it's just a mess. I've got some baskets, you know, this is supposed to be the baking basket with baking supplies, but we just have too much, and so it kind of just takes over. Here I think we have some noodles. Again, there's just no organization. We keep our oils up there and cereal, and we just kind of stack things. You can see it goes pretty high. It might be helpful if we add another shelf, but anyway, this is our very messy pantry, and I'll take you out into the garage. Okay, this is the little spot in my garage where I'm able to store a little bit more, so I am thankful for that I can put some things out here. When we first moved out here, we were kind of out in the country and we had some mice issues, and so I really did not want to store anything out here, but you know, we solved the mice problem, and I at first would only store canned goods out here because I was just so paranoid of attracting mice. And it's only been recently in the last few months that I've been able to allow other products to be stored out here, but I really try not to. As we go through things in the house, we will quickly shift them inside just in case. But we've got some extra canned goods stored out here. We are about a half a week out from our next grocery shopping trip. So some of the things are still well stocked and other things need to be restocked. But done. It looks so much better, so much more organized. I was able to condense a lot of things up here that were taking up space, and now I was able to get everything in, and now I can see everything. Yay! I went ahead and picked up these from Walmart. I really like these. These are, let me pull one out here. These are the, let's see, I think it's upside down. Anyway, they're Better Homes and Gardens, I believe. And I really like how the top does this little lift up clip. You just lift it up and then push it down and it locks. I really like that, so I went ahead and grabbed these. And so we've got our popcorn here. This is our rice. This is coconut sugar, brown sugar, whole wheat flour. We use this for making bread and oatmeal pancakes and zucchini pancakes. And then we have our white flour, which we also have this on the canister on the countertops, but we go through quite a bit of flour. So, and then I'll probably get one more for powdered sugar. I'm not sure. We don't use powdered sugar. I only use powdered sugar if I'm making a cake or cupcakes and I need a lot of it for the frosting, but I don't use it that often otherwise. And everything is in its place. I can see where everything is. I can just pull out a bin. These are our beans and these are our baking supplies. These are kind of just odds and ends in here. Still kept my canned goods in the same place. And then down here we just kind of have a hodgepodge of sweeteners and different flours. And then all this, just those little jar things that take up space. And then in this bin down here, I have just extra flour, hot chocolate, napkins, and I think I have some quinoa in here. But yeah, that's all done. Well, I hope you enjoyed this before and after pantry tour. I'm so glad I got that done. I am a hot, sweaty mess, but hey, it is all done. I will probably have to reorganize it every once in a while, but at least for now, I can find things and it just feels really good. If you like this type of video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.